In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change eye color in Fotor. First, open your browser and go to Fotor.com, then log into your account so your edits can be saved. Once you're in, look for the main workspace and click Edit a Photo. This takes you to Fotor's editor where we'll make all the changes. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. Choose a clear image where the eyes are visible and reasonably well lit. This makes the color change look more realistic. Once the photo loads, focus on the left-hand toolbar. Find the Beauty section, and within it, look for Eye Tint. Depending on the version you're using, it might appear under Makeup or Retouch with a similar name like Eye Color. Select that tool to get started. Now click directly on each eye in your photo to select them. Aim for the iris, the colored ring, avoiding the pupil and the whites of the eyes. If your cursor shows a brush, make sure it fits neatly within the iris so you don't spill color outside the edges. You can usually adjust the brush size right in the Eye Tint tool, so set it small enough to stay precise but large enough to work efficiently. With the eyes selected, choose a new eye color from the color palette. Natural shades like brown, hazel, green, gray, or blue typically blend more convincingly. If you want a dramatic look, you can explore vibrant tones, but subtlety often works best for portraits. Pay attention to how the color interacts with the original lighting and skin tones. Use the intensity or opacity slider to control how strong the color appears. Start lower and gradually increase until it looks believable. The goal is to enhance, not overwhelm, so keep an eye on edges and highlights. If the color looks too flat, ease the intensity back and let some of the original iris detail show through. Adjust the size setting if the tint doesn't fully cover the iris or spills over. Fine-tuning this keeps the effect clean and natural. When you're happy with the result, click Apply to save the edit to your photo within the session. Take a quick moment to look over both eyes together and confirm they match in tone and strength. Finally, click Download to save your photo to your device. Choose the file format and quality that best suits your needs, and you're done. You've successfully changed the eye color in your photo using Fotor while keeping a realistic finish.